Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to Google Authenticator. So as you can see, I have done the transfer for all of these. I'm left with Instagram. I'll show you how to do this live. But first of all, let me apologize for making a video like this instead of a screen recording. And the reason is Microsoft Authenticator and Google Authenticator, they actually block out screen recordings due to security issues. But regardless, I'm going to show you how this is done. And also let me mention that it's not possible to directly transfer the accounts from Microsoft Authenticator to Google Authenticator because Microsoft Authenticator themselves, they don't offer you a way to export or share the secret keys directly, okay? So the first thing I need you to do is disable the two-factor authentication on the app or service that you want to transfer. So I've opened up Instagram. You just come at the top right and click on these three horizontal lines to access the menu. And here, click on Account Center, right? And then if I scroll down, we'll see Account Settings. So I'll click on this one for Password and Security. And we get this one, two-factor authentication. I'll choose Instagram. And first, I need to remove Microsoft Authenticator. So I'll click on Authentication app. And here, as you can see, I have a device connected. I'll click on these three dots. And then I can click here on Remove. It should give me this prompt. Okay, click on Remove again. And there you go. So I have removed this one from my Microsoft Authenticator. So this method is now off. And now I can set it up with Google Authenticator. So you can just click here on Next. Okay. And it should give you these options. You can either copy the key or view the barcode or QR code. We'll scan this in our Google Authenticator. Before that, let me go and completely remove this from this Microsoft Authenticator app. So I can click on this, click on the gear cog here, click on Remove Account, and now I've completely removed it. We don't need this anymore. Okay, we would not even be able to use this. Now I'll scan this barcode. So I'll come back here, open a Microsoft Authenticator, okay, on this device. So there we go. We have Google Authenticator. Come here at the bottom right, okay? Click on the plus icon. Click on Scan a QR code. I'll scan that in. And if I scroll down, we should see my Instagram account. And that is how I did all of these transfers. And it's really that easy and simple.